the most vibrant chords to create positive vibes and mind power. Spirituality. Keep walking though there is no place to get to. Don't try to see through the distances. That's not far. Human beings move within, but don't move the way fear makes you move. Rumi. God's love. If in thirst you drink water from a cup, you see God in it. Those who are not in love with God will see only their own faces in it. Jalaluddin Rumi. Gain, loss and God. O Allah, what has gained the one who has not found you, and what has lost the one who has found you? Hazrat Imam Hussain. Patience. Have patience. All things are difficult before they become easy. A man is insensible to the relish of prosperity till he has tasted adversity. The rose and the thorn, and sorrow and gladness are linked together. Sadi Shirazi. The reality. The world is a bride of surpassing beauty, but remember, yes, remember, this maiden is never bound to anyone. Hafiz Shirazi. Real friend. Friend, our closeness is this. Anywhere you put your foot, feel me in the firmness under you. Rumi. Friendship. Wishing to be friends is quick work, but friendship is a slow ripening fruit. Aristotle. Fate. Be content with what you have received and smooth your frowning forehead, for the door of choice is open neither to you nor to me. Hafiz Shirazi. Gain excellence with sound footing. Keep your eyes on the stars and your feet on the ground. Theodore Roosevelt. Pilgrimage. A day of silence can be pilgrimage in itself. Hafiz Shirazi. No fears. Fear is the cheapest room in the house. I'd like to see you living in better conditions. Hafiz. Be brave. It's better to be a lion for a day than a sheep all your life. Elizabeth Kenny. Speak carefully. What we speak becomes the house we live in. Hafiz. Remove barriers to seek love. Your task is not to seek for love, but merely to seek and find all the barriers within yourself that you have built against it. Rumi. Nothing is impossible. It always seems impossible until it is done. Nelson Mandela. Ideal life. Good friends, good books, and a sleepy conscience. This is the ideal life. Mark Twain. Mad. When we remember we are all mad, the mysteries disappear and life stands explained Mark Twain. Understand more. Nothing in life is to be feared. It is only to be understood. Now is the time to understand more, so that we may fear less. Marie Curie. Beware, beware the barrenness of a busy life. Socrates. Fate. This place where you are right now, God circled on a map for you. Hafiz. Purest sound. Laugh, because that is the purest sound. Hafiz. Forgive to attain divine freedom. Forgiveness is part of the trial. You need to craft your falcon wings and return to your true realm of divine freedom. Hafiz. Love is the greatest joy. We are people who need to love because love is the soul's life. Love is simply creation's greatest joy. Hafiz. Precautions. The chief danger in life is that you may take too many precautions. Alfred Adler. Cool contentment. Out beyond ideas of wrongdoing and right doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there. When the soul lies down in that grass, the world is too full to talk about. Rumi. Secret of life. Keep looking up. That's the secret of life. Snoopy. Think big. Stop acting so small. You are the universe in ecstatic motion. Rumi. Opt for difficult and meaningful. Difficult and meaningful will always bring more satisfaction than easy and meaningless. Maxime Lagache. Convert failure into opportunity. The wound is the place where the light enters you. Rumi. Have faith in your powers. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. Steve Jobs. Real joy. The real joy of life is to combat difficulties and miseries with firm determination. Tipu Sultan. Life and we. Life is a question, and how we live it is our answer. Carrie Keller. Life is a riddle. Life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. All is riddle, and the key to a riddle is another riddle. Ralph Waldo Emerson. No shortcut, please. There is more to life than increasing its speed. Gandhi. Understand life by reverse engineering. Life can only be understood backwards, but it must be lived forwards. Soren Kierkegaard. Difference between human and reptile. When a person appreciates only eating and sleeping, what excellence has he over the reptiles? Sadi. Visualization. Change your thoughts and you will change your world. Norman Vincent. bravely. One day of lying is better than the 100 days of checkup. Tipu Sultan. Life is experiment. All life is an experiment. The more experiments you make, the better. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Excellence is just a habit. We are what we repeatedly do. Excellence, then, is not an act, but a habit. Aristotle. Thanks for watching.